What if I told you that you can create a commercial like this without a production crew and with a minimal budget? In the next few minutes, I will show you how I did it using online AI tools. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to guide you through my complete process for creating stunning ads for small businesses using AI tools. We'll start by generating our perfect prompt and finish with a polished, dynamic video that looks like it came from a professional production studio. First, let's talk about what you need to get started. For this tutorial, I'm using a logo I designed for a restaurant called Giso. But this process works for any small business, whether it's a coffee shop, boutique, beauty salon, or local service provider. You'll want to have your business logo in a high-resolution format ready to use. I'm selecting the version with the best resolution here. Having a clean, high-quality logo is crucial because we'll be incorporating it into multiple scenes throughout our video. Now, this is where the magic begins. We're heading to Pinterest, which is an incredible resource for visual inspiration. Professional designers use this platform constantly to find reference images for photographic styles, compositions, and aesthetics. In this example, I'm going to search for restaurant uniforms because we want to create an authentic and professional appearance for our main character. Look at all these options! For this project, I'm choosing this image of a waitress with tattoos. It has a modern and accessible vibe that works perfectly for the brand aesthetic we're looking for. Note that this image is actually AI generated, which is perfectly fine for our reference purposes. Now we need to translate this visual inspiration into something our AI tools can understand seamlessly. This is where Mistral AI comes in. One of the things I love about Mistral is that you can have incredibly long conversations, unlike other AI chatbots that limit you after just a few messages. Here we upload our reference image and ask Mistral to describe it in prompt format. This is crucial because we need a detailed, technical description that the image generation AI can work with. Check this out. Mistral has given us a complete prompt that captures every important detail: the server's appearance, the uniform style, the lighting, the composition. This is exactly what we need. Let's copy this and move on to our next tool. Now we're using NanoBanana, which I've covered in previous videos for product photography, but today we're using it to create our reference frames for our video. I'm pasting our Mistral generated prompt here, but we're not done yet. We need to add our branding elements. I'm uploading the Giso logo I showed you earlier, and now we tell the AI to incorporate it into the server's uniform. This ensures brand consistency throughout our video. One of the best features in the updated version is this aspect ratio selector on the right. For commercial video content, we want a 16:9 horizontal format, which is the standard for YouTube, television, and most social media platforms. Excellent. Our first frame is ready. The AI has successfully created a professional-looking server image with our logo naturally integrated into the design. Now let's add another layer of authenticity. Here we upload an image of a beautifully plated dish and ask the AI to incorporate it into our scene. This works for any product, whether it's a signature dish, a retail product, or a service demonstration. I'm also adding a second instance of the logo. I'm asking the AI to place it on the server's cap. These small branding touches make a huge difference in the final product. Let's make our waitress look more welcoming by adding the phrase "with a warm smile" to the prompt. Remember, small details like facial expressions can completely change the emotional impact of your video. Perfect. Now we have our main character ready, a friendly, professional server representing the Giso brand. This same process works for any business representative you want to feature in your commercial. Back in Mistral, we need to create the message that will appear in our commercial. This is your tagline or slogan. These will be the words that will stick with viewers and define your brand. Here I'm going to upload this brand presentation that includes the restaurant's concept, color palette, and overall style. This context helps the AI generate taglines that truly fit the brand identity. I'm asking Mistral to create several tagline options based on this brand document. Here are our options. After reviewing them, I'm going with Nourish Your Body, Inspire Your Soul. It's simple, memorable, and perfectly captures the restaurant's philosophy. Now comes a crucial step. We need to create a specific prompt for video generation. I'm showing Mistral our generated image and asking it to create a video prompt that includes our slogan at the end. I'm adding our chosen tagline to make sure it's incorporated into the video description. Mistral has given us a detailed video prompt, but it's a bit lengthy for our purposes. Let me ask it to condense it into a single focus paragraph. Much better. Now we have a clear, concise prompt ready for video generation. Now this is where things get really exciting. We're moving to OpenART, and this is where my experience as a tech geek really comes into play. Here's the thing. When I started with AI video generation, I was installing local models, managing dependencies, and constantly upgrading my hardware. But then I discovered OpenART, and it changed everything. This is the ultimate AI tool for creators because you don't need to worry about all that technical complexity. You're not spending hours learning how to install AI applications. You're not maintaining a high-end PC with constant updates and troubleshooting. And you're definitely not spending a fortune building a powerful machine with expensive GPU. OpenART handles all the computational power in the cloud so you can focus on what matters, creating incredible content. And if you want to try it, I've included a discount link in the description that will give you some extra credits to get started. First, I'm uploading our generated server image as the base for our video. Look at this, they just released the Sora 2 model this week. Let's try it first. I'm pasting our Mistral generated prompt here and setting the duration to 4 seconds. Here we have our result with Sora. It shows us that we're getting a moderation block. This sometimes happens when human faces appear prominently. No problem, let's try a different model. The 1.2.5 model also generates videos with audio, which is a nice additional feature. Here's our result.
Nourish your body, inspire your soul.
The video looks good overall, but there's an awkward camera movement at the end. In professional video creation, these details matter. Let's test the Veo 3 model with a simplified prompt. Here's our result.
Nourish your body, inspire your soul.
Much better. The camera movement is smooth, the expression is natural, and our tagline feels integrated into the scene. This is our hero shot, the emotional centerpiece of our commercial that would cost thousands to produce traditionally. Professional commercials need variety and dynamic storytelling. Let's create some B-roll footage by changing the camera angle. I'm asking NanoBanana to show our server from behind. Perfect. This gives us a more cinematic perspective. Now let's create preparation scenes. We're asking Mistral to generate prompts to show product preparation, incorporating elements like hands-in action, detailed close-ups, and professional presentation. Now we tell Mistral to divide this into 3 separate scenes. This gives us multiple video clips we can intercut for dynamic pacing, exactly how high-end commercials are structured. Excellent. Now we have 3 distinct preparation scenes ready to generate. Using Mistral's first scene prompt, we generate the base image in NanoBanana. The lighting, composition, and colors align with our brand aesthetic with the production quality you'd see in television commercials. Let's go back to OpenART to continue with video generation. For these intermediate B-roll shots, I'm using the 1.2.2 model. Look at this result. The colors perfectly match our brand palette. The lighting looks professional, and the movement is incredibly smooth and natural. This is the quality that makes AI-generated content indistinguishable from million-dollar production studios. Now let's generate our server shot from the back angle using the same process. Here's a professional technique. The Seedance model from ByteDance allows you to specify both starting and ending frames. This is perfect for creating smooth transitions between scenes. Here we'll create a shot that starts with our server from behind, then rotates as she places the dish on the table. The ending frame will match the beginning of our hero shot, where our server says the slogan. Perfect on. This creates a seamless narrative flow from one scene to the next. These professional touches are what elevate content from good to Super Bowl quality advertising. Every strong commercial ends with clear branding. What we'll do is create an animation of the Jizo logo, asking the AI to create a final branded sequence. If you also want to see how to animate logos with AI, I have a complete tutorial. You can click here to see more. Here's our final brand frame, which will extend into a closing sequence for the video. This gives viewers a clear brand impression to remember after watching, just like the end cards in professional commercials. The final element that ties everything together is music. For this, we're going to use Udo, which is an AI music generation platform. I'm looking for a soundtrack that matches the optimistic and welcoming energy of our video. The music should complement without overwhelming the visual content. And here's our complete commercial from concept to finished product.
Nourish your body, inspire your soul.
And there you have it, a complete Super Bowl quality commercial for a small business, created entirely with AI tools without ever picking up a camera or hiring a production crew. Again, a big thank you to OpenART for giving me credits to play with these tools. And if you're interested in getting OpenART, I leave a discount link in the description of this video. That's all for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you get notifications for the new videos I'll be making. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to create logos for free using AI. Click here to watch more. See you next time. Bye-bye.